All right, now that concludes all the charts, graphs, and tables that I will show you how to make. So with the PowerPoint presentation done, I'm going to now show you how to record your PowerPoint presentation directly in PowerPoint so that you can submit it on Blackboard or wherever you need to for your class. You'll see at the top ribbon here, there is a record section. I'm going to click on record. And in the record group, we can just click from beginning to start a PowerPoint presentation. And you'll see my camera's already on, so the camera pops right up. And you'll see at the top, we have the red button to start recording. There is the camera button so that we could turn on our camera. If your professor requires that you have your webcam on, of course, you want to make sure it's on up here, and you'll see it pop up down here. There I am. Hello. Want to make sure your mic is on. You'll see here we have an area to put notes if we want help while we're presenting. Write some stuff maybe that we think we'll forget. And that's it. Um, Once we're ready to start recording, you press the red button here. You can go through each slide. You even have options here to draw things on the slide as you're presenting, or even a laser pointer here, which is pretty cool. And then once you get to the end of your PowerPoint presentation, you'll see the black screen will pop up once you're done. You'll want to go up top here, top right, to export. You click that, and under file name you can name it however you please, and then it'll be saved as an MP4 file. You can click browse to choose where on your computer it should go. I do recommend that because then once you export it and you have to upload your presentation, you want to know where you can find it. And that's it. That's how you record a PowerPoint presentation directly in PowerPoint.